Okay, Fernanda, would you like to tell us which topic you have chosen, please?
Yes, I have chosen topic A, communication, the importance of good communication skills in developing a career in any kind of business.
Thank you. At the end of your 1 minute, I will invite Wataru to ask you a question. Wataru, you may take notes whilst Fernanda is speaking. Thank you, Fernanda. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes, thank you. I think there's many reasons why communication skills are important in any kind of career, in business. But first, I think everybody's working in teamwork, so it's essential that you have communication skills so that you can communicate with your team and to be a good manager, you have to know how to have a good relation with your employees and your team. And also, to be a good manager or a director, you also have to have communication skills, so that you know how to establish the tasks to your team, know your team, and make it then more motivated and more productive.
Stop there, please. Wataru, do you have a question for Fernanda, please?
Yeah, I have a question. If you find a person who doesn't want to communicate with other employees, how do you deal with him?
I think there's one more point, why you have to have communication skills, so that you can know how to deal with these situations. For example, in this situation, I think I would try to communicate with him, like trying to understand this person better, so that I can know what is the problem and try to solve this.
Thank you. Wataru, would you like to tell us which topic you have chosen, please?
I have chosen A, staff management. How to deal with an employee who lacks motivation.
Wonderful. At the end of your presentation, I will invite Fernanda to ask you a question. Fernanda, you may take notes whilst Wataru is speaking. Thank you. Wataru, would you like to begin, please?
Yeah, thank you. I think the best way to motivate employees who lack motivation is to impose them on challenging task, and also if they accomplish it, maybe you have to give them some perks. And also the other way is to alert them. For example, if you are lazy about the work, I will dismiss you or something. And also
Conclude.
In my conclusion,
There are a number of ways of dealing with.
Number of ways to dealing with is to
employees who lack motivation. Wataru, do you have a question for, Fernanda, do you have a question for Wataru?
Yes, I do. You said about how important it is and how to deal with when you lack motivation. But what do you think is important to have motivation? What is the advantage of having a staff who is motivated?
Okay, that's a good question. Because motivated employees is very efficient, and they can generate a big benefit.
Thank you very much.